Move of the week time, I got with me the talented, wonderful Miss Grace, my dance daughter, only on the dance floor. Long story, I won't bore you with it. She's my dance daughter. She's going to help us show you a brand new move, never shown before. First, we're going to show it to you, show you how to do it. She mirrors me. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 12. All right? Got some hand changes there, got some different things the leaders aren't used to doing, so we'll make it easy. First, it starts off at a hammerlock. So what a normally traditional hammerlock would look like would be 1, 2, raise her right, make her turn, full turn to her right, and you're in what's called a hammerlock. We don't want to do that, guys. We want to turn, but we also want to do something with our own bodies and make it a little cooler. So first we're going to do 1, 2, we're going to stop on 4. As she turns to the right for a triple step, okay, I'm moving up to her left side. She should be on her left foot by the triple, and I'm on my right foot. So we're going to go again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple step. So leaders, you got to get up there and quickly meet her. So if it's a fast song, you're going to have to be fast. We'll go front to back. So 1, 2, raise her right, and then travel ahead of her. I'm also a little bit ahead of her, just a little bit. You don't have to be, but it helps for what's coming up next. Okay? Let's go this way. Same thing. Raise her right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Triple step. All right? From there, we're adding 2 walks, just to prepare myself and also my follow for what's next, which is almost the end. So we're going to go here to 6, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and we're just going to walk. I'm on my right foot, Grace is on her left foot. We're just adding 2 walks to prepare for the ending, which is cool. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Keep those hands low. Walk. And push. So just keep the hands low, keep the rotation smooth and tight for the finish. So first we're going to show you the finish. Show you it. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Hand change. It's pretty cool. Make sure you do it right. We don't want to over rotate her shoulder, her elbow. She won't dance with you. Okay. Raise your hand here. Come through. 2 walks. Walk. So now, her right hand is in my left, and vice versa. As she does her triple step, I'm switching hands. So her right is in my right, okay, and behind her back. Then turn her back to her right, triple step. Switch hands. Sorry, turn back to her left. So it's a hand change first, and then another hand change. So let's see if we can do it this way. I know kind of hard to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to walk, triple step, and then I switch hands back. So hands change low, then switch it again. So guys, stay off to her left side. As she's doing these turns, we're going to go this way. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Walk, hand change low, And it just bends her elbow back comfortably. Not a big deal if it's a slow song, fast song. Sometimes go too fast, it'll hurt. One more time. We're done. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Walk, triple step, triple step. Guys, back up and get back on the track for the last triple, just so you can make it look smooth. Thank you, my dear.
Thank you.
Miss Grace goes to Cancun, Tantina, where she's wearing a cute shirt. Put the link to that place below. So thanks for watching, guys. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for a free video. It's our passion to share with you. Till next time, have a great week.
And keep dancing.